Good day guys, today we're going to tackle about the IoT. So, introduction, IoT is a network of connected devices that enhance tracking and customer service in shipping. It also addresses management problems, improving safety, efficiency, and sustainability. So, IoT technologies in ports. We have six technologies in ports, and the first one is sensor technology. It detects physical conditions converts them into electrical signal. Next one is RFID. RFID is a non-contact identification technology for automatic data access. Next one is machine to machine or M2M. It enables data transmission between machines. We also have vehicle vehicle terminal. It facilitates real-time monitoring in smart operations. Next one is robotic automation. Robot assist in various shipping tasks, reducing manpower. Last one is cloud analytics. It stores and analyzes IoT data for actionable insights. So, next one is autonomous ships. Autonomous ships are driverless vessels that navigate without human intervention. Types include remote ships operated from shore, and automated ships is automated decision making. Ports implementation. Notable ports, we have Hamburg, Barcelona, and Rotterdam. IoT implementation costs vary based on application type, complexity, and technology. So, challenges to IoT adoption. It has data privacy and security concerns, high implementation costs, and lack of skilled personnel. Also, uncertainty and insufficient information and employees. And impact on environmental sustainability. Digitally, I mean, digitalization and automation in ports enhance productivity and reduce footprints. Smart sensors help in energy efficiency and reducing greenhouse gas emission. So, the benefits of IoT in the maritime sector. First is enhanced decision making. IoT technology facilitates better management of existing infrastructure by providing real-time data analytics. This capability allows port authorities and shipping companies to make informed decisions that optimize operation and reduce traffic congestion. Next one is operational efficiency. The integration of IoT technology such as sensors and RFID enable ports to automate processes leading to increased productivity. So next one is real-time analytics. IoT provides port users with immediate access to data regarding cargo status and the availability of port facilities. This real-time information is crucial for coordinating vessel services, including bunkering and maintenance, ultimately leading to smarter operations. Cost savings. The potential for significant cost savings is substantial, with estimates suggesting that the maritime sector could save up to 400 billion annually through improved infrastructure management and operational efficiencies. Next one is sustainability. IoT technologies contribute to environmental sustainability by reducing energy waste and greenhouse gas emissions. For example, the Port of San Diego has implemented smart sensors to monitor energy consumption, aligning with sustainability goals. So, IoT adoption barrier. We have data privacy issues. There are substantial concerns regarding the collection and security of large amounts of data generated by IoT devices. The potential for data breaches and unauthorized access poses a significant risk. Next one is protection worries. The complexity of securing industrial tools and network is a major challenge. Many existing systems are not designed to communicate securely with external networks, making it difficult to implement IoT solutions safely. Next one is high implementation costs. The financial burden of implementing IoT solution can be considerable. Many companies rely on centralized cloud-based solutions which can lead to high costs without immediate return of investment. So next one is uncertainty. IoT is a relatively new technology and many employees lack experience with it. This certainty can hinder the adoption process as there is often insufficient information available to make informed decisions. Last one is lack of industrial technologies. There is a need for skilled personnel who can bridge the gap between information technology and operational technology. The lack of technologies familiar with both areas can impede the successful implementation of IoT programs. So these barriers highlight the challenges that organizations must overcome to successfully adopt IoT technologies. In the maritime sector, despite the potential benefits they offer for efficiency, sustainability, and improved decision making. So next are the recommendations for improvement. To address these challenges and leverage for the benefits of IoT, several recommendations can be made. First is encouraging private sector involvement. The Egyptian government should foster partnership with the private sector to drive innovation and investment IoT technologies. This collaboration can lead to the development of tailored solutions that meet the specific needs of Egyptian ports. Next one is implementing port congestion solutions. Drawing inspiration from successful applications like the Pronto application used to port Rotterdam, Egypt can develop similar tools to reduce waiting times and improve the utilization of port capacity. Next one is utilizing QR codes. The adoption of QR codes for tracking shipments can streamline operation and facilitates paperless transactions. This technology enhances visibility in the supply chain and reduce the reliance on traditional shipping documents. Next one is focusing on Alexandria Port. Given its significance in Egypt's foreign trade, Alexandria Port should be prioritized for the implementation of IoT technologies. By adopting advanced solutions, the port can increase its efficiency, capacity, and competitive advantages in international trade. Last one is comparative analysis with global ports. So conducting a comparative analysis of Egyptian ports with those in Dubai and Singapore can provide valuable insights into best practices and areas for improvement. Learning from the successes of these global leaders can guide Egypt in its IoT adoption journey. So, for conclusion, the integration of IoT technology and the maritime sector holds immense potential for addressing the challenges faced by Egyptian ports. By enhancing decision making, improving operational efficiency, and promoting sustainability, IoT can transform the maritime landscape in Egypt. However, overcoming the barriers to adoption, such as high implementation costs and data privacy concerns, will require concerted efforts from both government and the private sector. With the right strategies in place, Egypt can harness the power of IoT to create a more efficient, sustainable, and competitive maritime industry, ultimately benefiting all stakeholders involved in the transport sector. So, the integration of Internet of Things technology in the maritime sector presents a transformative opportunity to enhance operational efficiency, safety, and customer service. As we have explored, the adoption of IoT can address significant challenges faced by ports such as congestion and inefficiency, while also promoting environmental sustainability through energy efficient practices. The, pot- the potential benefits, including improved decision making, real time analytics, and increased visibility across the supply chain, underscore the importance of embracing these innovations. By fostering collaborations between the public and private sectors and investing in the necessary infrastructure and skilled personnel, we can pave the way for a more connected and sustainable maritime industry that not only meets the demands of today but also prepares for the challenges of tomorrow.